Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we're going to show you how to make a homemade fungicide for some of your vegetable problems. So let's get after it. Okay, in order to make this, I'm going to make a half a gallon, 2 quarts, because I happen to have a half a gallon sprayer. Of course, you can make more. It's not like it's going to spoil or something. All you're going to need is some baking soda and some dishwashing detergent. Now, I do organic, so I want something that is not going to have any harmful chemicals in it. And I would say I'd prefer you to do that too. Get you one that's eco-friendly. This is plant-based, so we're not going to have a problem with anything in our organic garden. Now, what you're going to do is, for most cases, you're going to use 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and that's for a half gallon. Just double it if you're going to do a gallon. And then we're going to use a half of a teaspoon, and we're going to kind of eyeball this of detergent. Now, some people do put some vegetable oil, or you could put neem oil or some kind of oil in there. They say helps it attach better, and stay to the leaves. Now, I'm going to say that would be your preference. I'm not going to use an oil. Anytime you use an oil, you have to be aware, make sure that you don't spray in midday whenever it's hot. You would do this in the evening time's probably best if you're going to use like some type of oil. Okay, now I'm going to mix that up a little bit. Now I'm going to get my funnel, and I'm going to put it into my sprayer here, and then we'll go out here and show you how we do this. All right, we got in our sprayer. It's all mixed up. Now let's get out there to the garden. All right, let's talk about this fungicide a little bit. Like a lot of your powdery mildews and stuff like that that's caused by fungus. Now this is some zucchinis, and you can tell there's not any fungus problem. Now, this one leaf is discolored, but I think it was on the ground as it was smaller. But you could use it on your squash plants. But we're planning to use this on the strawberries. Now, if you have a severe case of problems with it, now I don't know if this will be quite strong enough for my strawberries, but we're just trying to curtail some of this leaf spot on here. And we're going to try this mixture. It might have to actually mix up stronger to do it, but what we're going to do is we're just going to soak these leaves. We're going to soak them to where it runs off. And we're just going to go through with this whole mix. Now, what makes fungicide work, and you can get different ones that have copper in them and different things like that, but the simple baking soda, what it is the pH is really high, and fungus doesn't like that high pH. And so when you spray it on there, what's going to happen is it's going to be real alkaline, and the fungus is not going to thrive. In fact, it'll die out. But don't worry about spraying too much on it or something. But make sure you coat it real good, and then you might have to come back. You can kind of watch and see how it's doing. As far as now, your leaves that's already damaged by it, they're not going to take and jump back to life, but you'll be able to tell they won't get any worse, and your new leaves won't have that problem. But anyway, I hope this is helpful to you. As simple organic fungicide that you can make yourself with things that you normally have in your household. If you want to see more of my videos, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified. And if you like it, give it a big thumbs up and share this video. Happy gardening.